YouTube, back at it again with another one, family. Today we making a sweet and spicy soy salad dressing. Now to start this off, we going in with 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Find a good dark soy sauce, right? Then we add in some sweet, and we go with 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. You could use granulated white if you choose. Brown is my favorite. We add in 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Another 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We go in with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin. And last but not least, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Now this is our second and final step, folks. Super simple, delicious salad dressing. All we're doing here is incorporating all the ingredients, making sure that the oil and soy sauce are both blended so that there's no separation. And it's that simple. Refrigerate if you choose, but it's ready to go immediately. It's that simple, folks. Thanks for watching.